Look at this. Just take a look at this. This is so unbelievable. Months of work, or for a few dozen views. I think this is about 31 views, 30 views. And this stupid pizza video I posted a few weeks ago is the most viewed thing. 5 minutes of my life, the most viewed thing I've ever posted. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I cannot continue posting and then nobody wants to view it. Oh, it's you. I knew I'll be hearing from you today. So what is it now? You've been crying over that 30 view video you posted some hours ago. Come on, you don't even know the half of it. I've been working on this video for months, pouring every single thing I have into it. Research, editing, thumbnail design, title, SEO, like basically everything. I even went the extra mile to even watch other creators to see, okay, I can get ideas from them. But then it's still at 31 views, not even 30 views, 31 views. Then I upload this ridiculous pizza video I filmed in just 5 minutes while I was even half asleep, and it blows up to 550,000 views. Like, that's not even what I want to do on YouTube. How does that even make sense? How does it make sense? How does it make sense? Oh man, don't tell me you actually thought that video on retro gaming was the video you thought was going to make you go viral on YouTube. Bless your heart, Zach. Okay, let me explain to you. You see, the video you uploaded is a kind of video that only you and your mom can watch. That's the kind of video you uploaded, and probably your dog too. That's if your dog likes TV. But I'm pretty sure that if your dog likes TV, he's probably not going to watch your video. You like monkeys? Oh, sure. It's all about the audience. What I should have made a 10-hour loop of me explaining the history of Sonic while baking cookies. Honestly, that would have been even much better. Well, let me break it down for you, genius. See, YouTube is not in the business of rewarding your effort. We don't care how much hours you spend into editing a video, into filming a video, into researching a particular video idea, or anything of that sort. You know what to care about. Click. Are people going to watch this video? Are they going to click on this video and watch it? That is all we care about. So you get it? What? That is so shallow. Of course it's going to be shallow. This is the internet, Zach. Shallow is the entire point. You thought you were making art, but all you were really doing was asking for YouTube equivalent of a standing ovation. And frankly, nobody has the time to sit through a lecture of obscure video games unless they are already into it. But what does that pizza video have?